I'll guide you through how to crop an image in Photopea with just a few simple steps. After that, I'll show you how to easily crop a single layer in Photopea. First, open your image in Photopea. To crop, select the crop tool from the toolbar on the left. You can also press C on your keyboard as a shortcut. Once selected, a border will appear around your image. Click and drag the corners or sides to adjust the crop area. By default, you're in free crop mode, which lets you adjust the crop area freely without any constraints. If you need a specific aspect ratio, choose a fixed ratio like 1:1 or 16:9 from the top menu to maintain proportions while cropping. When you're ready, hit the check mark at the top to apply the crop, and that's it. You've successfully cropped your image in Photopea. Now, let's move on to cropping a single layer without affecting the rest of your image. First, select the layer you want to crop in the Layers panel on the right. Make sure it's highlighted. Right-click the highlighted layer and select Rasterize from the context menu. Next, switch to the Rectangle Select tool by clicking it in the toolbar or pressing M on your keyboard. Draw a selection around the part of the layer you want to keep. Just like with the Crop tool, you can freely adjust the selection or set a fixed aspect ratio from the top to get an exact size. Because you want to keep the part of the layer that you have selected, you need to inverse the selection to get rid of everything else. So go to the top menu, click Select, then select Inverse. Everything else on that layer except your original selection is now selected. Just press the Delete key to remove it. Only the active layer is now cropped, leaving everything else untouched. And to remove the selection outline, go back to the Select menu and choose Deselect. That's how you crop a single layer in Photopea. Remember to save your project, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials.